Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This is an after convention video, after the convention Oosterhout, Nijmegen, and not everything went alright, and that is primarily with the power, which I have to fix. I had to fix it at the convention and I have to fix it again. And then also some checks on following the line, because that didn't work out so well. Sonar I checked and I have to live with it, unfortunately. And as for the colors, I'm afraid the same thing. I can check the connectors, obviously, because I didn't do that. But most of all, the power. Without power, any robot will do nothing. So that's the first thing to come up. I mentioned the power, and in the past I found that the length of the wire, because this is the original length, didn't service anymore. So because of the extended wire, I made this, and if you watch closely, well, there's a wire loose, and I obviously have to fix that. And I did fix it on a convention, but at the end of the convention it broke down again. So I have to solder it again. But the point is this wire by now long enough to hold? And I don't think so, to be honest. But let's see if this will be enough. If I have a longer bare wire, I have to use some alternative plies, and I don't want to use that because this end is very short. Anyway, let's just see if this works out. And there's something else that I should take first. To clean the tip. This is, nope, not by a long shot. Okay, this sticks, but it is not a nice repair, so I have to do it while looking at it straight in the face, so to say. So fix it like this, put it in the middle. And then try again. And this isn't as easy as it looks. The wire keeps getting away. And in the meantime, the other wire, okay, it still fits, still fixed, so now it's in the middle. Yeah, okay, let's see. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. With a repair, fix, replacement, reseating, whatever, some code, there's a lot to see and it's not done yet. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification, leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also support this channel via Patreon and via Ko-fi and via PayPal. And supporters via Patreon and Ko-fi can watch the whole video. So, and if you like, I can also make it that you can watch it earlier. Up to you, let me know in the comments. This is going to be continued for sure. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care. Also, take a look at my website, which is listed under the video. And for now, bye.